here, last time I was here, this place was pristine and beautiful and new and crisp, and we drove around. It was fantastic.
Yeah.
What happened?
Yeah. So we had some rains come in, and then
A lot of.
A lot.
Oh, there's the saying,
Not
right?
some.
ज़्यादा पानी आता है तो
sure.
ज़्यादा बारिश होती है ज़्यादा पानी आता है.
Oh my god.
And then it flooded the entire place.
The whole track. And where was it up to? You were telling me. Where was the water up to?
Till like
1
here.
foot. 1 foot. Yeah. 1 foot. Because the access to the creek was blocked, and so the water backed up.
So the creek is over there. The water which should have gone straight into the creek, but it was blocked.
Right.
So
Just
basically,
came back.
this became a basin.
Yes.
Right.
Accumulated in here.
Yeah.
It was not just water; it was mud and all slimy stuff. And
Yeah.
So we've
So
been
when that water dissipated,
right. So
what
when,
did you find?
they opened that channel
Yeah.
to allow the water to go,
Yeah.
and then in 2 days
Yeah.
it was all empty, but it left a layer of mud and dust and
Which we
dirt.
can see some of over there now. And so how long have you been at it?
12, 13 days straight.
Yeah.
From 11 in the morning till sundown.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah.
In the heat.
Yeah.
So
You can
and it's
see
a big track, so
color.
we've had to, we had to make sure that we removed all the dust, every little spot, everything, and like you said, bring it back to that pristine.
Is it okay? Was there any damage?
No. Yeah. Lucky.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I know from the last video,
Yeah.
if you see the last video, and Ovais explains is how much investment and energy and engineering actually has gone in. This is not just tarmac. This is special stuff.
Which
But
is-
it was designed to cope with this,
Yeah,
wasn't it?
so which is why you won't see any potholes even after 1 foot
Yeah.
of water was standing for about 2 days.
Yeah.
So the asphalt is fine, no
Yeah.
potholes, no depressions,
Yeah.
no settlement, nothing.
So that's good.
Yeah, that's great. I mean, that's great.
What about the electrical?
So we haven't turned the power on yet,
Yeah.
but we're gonna turn it on.
Because this is like, I don't, you can't make it out, but the whole track is lit. Everything is like it's floodlit. It's designed that way.
Yeah.
So that's
and
the
we
ultimate
also
test.
have the CCTV cameras.
Yeah. But yeah.
That all that cabling is running underground. The timing system, the internet, which is on a fiber, the light control systems, the CCTV systems. So we're going to turn the power on hopefully in a day or two, and hopefully fingers crossed.
Close your ears.
Yeah.
Wait for the fuses to blow.
Shouldn't have any problems.
And hopefully no more rains.
Yeah. Well, it is going to rain next week though. But you're confident it's going to flow out this time.
Yeah, so
As
I'm not
long
worried.
as the water
It's
does
already
not come
happened,
in,
right? Twice,
that's good.
3 times. So yeah, we don't mind the puddles because the puddles we can clean and clear easily.
Yeah.
They usually go on their own, but if you want it done quicker, we've got water pumps and we just, we use our team and we wipe them, move them off the track. As long as it doesn't flood in, but we know why that happened, so now that's been addressed.
And were the carts okay?
The carts were okay. Yeah, we had already, preempted that.
Right.
We knew the rains were coming,
Yeah.
so we had moved them to a safe and secure place,
Right.
away from the water.
And as you were saying, you just got all the parts. You were ready to go
Yeah.
when this happened.
Yeah.
So you're all set. Everything is set. You just need to clear it up, and hopefully everything is working, and you can get
Yeah,
on again.
so we haven't been able to work on the parts because we need the manpower to work on clearing the track and cleaning it up. So today we finished that, and then we send the mechanics on to doing the parts.
And the amazing thing to note is this is Dr. Ovais Naqvi, right? This is his dream. This is his track. He's out here in his shorts and his t-shirt. When I walked in, he was over there, literally like manual labor, cleaning the track over there. This is what he's doing.
But we're all doing it.
Yeah, it's the whole team. They're all walking out of the frame now, but there's a whole team of them doing it. But this is amazing. The amount of effort you guys are putting into this place, unbelievable.
Thank you.
I mean, you have to support your team, right?
Yeah.
Not just sit in the office and expect it to be
From the top to the bottom. We've all kind of, and then so we were lucky, I think. I mean, like we talked about, the track didn't suffer any damage.
Yeah, that's good.
We had some off-track areas, some pavers that got disturbed and things like that. Our lawn accumulated a bunch of water, but we're removing that. The grass is greener, so that's fine. The pavers and things are small. The electrical is the only thing that kind of worries or concerns me the most, and hopefully, when we turn the power on, hopefully everything should be should be okay.
So come on, what's the process that you've employed? Like, so how many tankers have you had in? Because you had to use fresh water to clean this off.
Yes.
How many of those have you had? And then what have you had to do to this?
So we've been cleaning the track for about 12-13 days, and using I think 2-3 tankers a
2
day.
tankers a day.
2 tankers a day.
2 full tankers.
Yeah.
2 full tankers of fresh water. Because you can't just use this.
Tanker costs
You can't use
about-
this crap. You have to use
yeah,
fresh water.
So we've been doing that, and then going through brooms and wipers, and we've got a science. We've got it down like a very coordinated, efficient teamwork. You get 2 guys on the hoses. We've got drains all over the track, so that's again.
And turn the water on, right?
Sure, you can actually.
I better get out of the way.
So what you do is you get 2 guys on the hose. We section off the track with the cones into sections, and then we get the hose guys putting the water in high pressure, removing all this dirt
But I
and
don't know if
sand.
can you see this?
Watch out,
Look
watch
at
out.
this. Can you see this? Really. There you go. There she goes. If you come here, it's safe to come here. Look at this silt. So you see this is tarmac, and you look at this silt. Look at that. And that now some of it is being washed away, and the rest has to be scraped away.
Even you see this part, this is a pipe.
Yeah.
This has been made by one of our guys.
Right.
Put pressure on it.
So that is inch by inch, foot by foot.
Yeah, and then
So
we
that's the
just scrape it off and then wipe it off, and then put it in the puddle and pour it off.
And once you use this, then you get the wiper and the hose, the broom to pull all of it. And then you have a hole back there with a motor and a pump, and you pump the water out, the dirty water, all of it.
So you can see now just the difference that has made. But that's just the water alone, and that's not enough. So then that now has to be broomed and scraped across.
Correct.
And this is what you've been doing meter by meter, section by section, all the way down the track.
The whole 1.6 kilometers.
1.6 kilometers, and the runoff areas as well.
Yeah.
So unbelievable effort. How many people working on this?
About 24.
24.
24
Yeah.
for 12, 13 days.
Everyone.
Doing this. Wow.
From myself to our GM to all the managers, the entire staff.
Everybody's
Everybody. Nobody was spared.
There's
We're the
an
home
insight into what they've actually been doing. So all the people, I know there's people on the group and stuff like you said, and why isn't track open, what's happening? You can see what it's taking.
Yeah, and we're at the home stretch now. So today, Friday, we just need to get to that cone. Hopefully, inshallah, we're done.
Take a little bit of a breather, come back.
Actually, no, we can't breathe. No
breaks.
breather because we've got 2 holidays coming up, so we're gonna lose those 2 days. So tomorrow we put the mechanical team at work on refitting and getting the carts ready with all the parts, the brand new engines, and then we assign the rest of the teams off-track cleanup duties. We gotta put all the tires back in place for safety, so we gotta just be full steam ahead till we resume operations.
Inshallah, when are you looking to welcome guests again here?
16.
16th of August. So stay tuned. That's an update on what's actually happened here.
And once we resume, there'll be a lot of updates and a lot of surprises for people.
Yeah.
So just stay tuned.
Looking forward to it. Unfortunately, I'm not here, but I'll be looking forward to seeing what's going on. My kids are going to be here, so hopefully.
Well, we can share one of them. Like we've actually we've just secured 17 kids carts. So one of the things we
Is this
did.
exclusive news?
This
It
is
is.
first. Yeah. So we've been looking for the past year since we started getting the adult carts, and slowly the demand was huge for kids.
Because before you had an age restriction. What was it?
15 and above.
15. Okay, so now you can
It'll
go
be
as low
7
as
and 7 onwards now.
Yeah. We could go from 7 to 14, and we've gotten 17. So our total fleet of carts is going to go up to 50 now.
And
Yeah.
we've added the faster ones as well.
Yes, we got, since you were here, we added 7 more of the
RX250s.
RX250s. So we have 13 RX250s. We have 17 kids carts
And then we have 20.
and 20 of the
The
adult
fleet
carts.
is big now.
So it's a 50
They must be pretty, those fast ones must be quick down here, I guess.
Yeah. So now we're looking forward to getting a lot of the youngsters in and getting
And
them.
even the RT8s,
Yeah.
they're being fitted with a brand new engine, so they'll be like,
All right.
they're all brand new engines now.
Good luck to these guys, and don't miss this place. Come down 16 onwards, hopefully. So Talk back in action. They are putting a ton of effort into this place, so you got to come down there and you got to support this. Absolutely amazing. Well done, guys.
Thank you, as always. Pleasure having you here.
A big shout out and thanks to Jay Williams over at Air Technic, who are top tier sponsors of Brown Car Guy. Check them out at Air Technic Co. UK for exhausts, brakes, suspension and body kits. Plus our other major sponsor, Nayagen Solutions. Much appreciation also to Tier 4 sponsors, Muhammad Ali Humaid, Tom Conway Gordon and Reza Adil. And of course all these other guys who supporting on Patreon. Brown Car Guy is eternally grateful. Hey, think about joining them over at patreon.com Brown Car Guy. If you can't, don't worry. Just make sure you're subscribing to the YouTube channel and website. Plus follow on social media by searching for Brown Car Guy.